Hey guys, welcome back to Burning Rubber Garage. It's
2018.
It is 2018.
Yep, 2018.
I almost said 2017. I wanted to relive that year. It's a pretty good one. But it's 2018. It's like middle of January already.
Yep.
We really haven't posted a lot up. He's been working, I've been busy, but we came up with a great idea. We usually chat. I don't think you guys realize how much thought we try to put into this. What actually makes it to camera is a whole nother story though.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Well, a lot of our chatting today and yesterday kind of stemmed from YouTube giving us the thumb.
I think it was the bird.
Or the bird.
I think they said F you to us and everybody else out there.
To all the small YouTube channels, they
kind of
really
said,
hosing everybody.
You cannot be monetized because we don't support you because you're a cancer on our platform until you have 1,000 subscribers, which we don't, and 4,000 rolling hours in a year's time frame look back is pretty much how it read.
Yep.
We have the time frame because a lot of you guys watch our stuff. I think you share it with others. That's
Absolutely.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
But we could really use a little support in the subscriber zone. We'd love to get up to 1,000. Even if you don't even like our content right now, I just want to play their game and get past it. So subscribe. Hopefully you do find yourself liking what we do, because this year we're going to take some different approaches, starting with this first idea we have.
So yeah, we were chatting, came up with the idea of us viewing your rides. So Cam put together an email address. We would love for you to send us videos, pictures, include with that a description.
We want a pretty good description, why you picked the car, what you like about it, what you've done to it, if anything. We would like something you've wrenched on a little bit, or at least paid someone else to wrench on, I guess.
Yeah.
We want something that has some mods on it, exhaust intake, seats, brakes.
Yeah, was it a barn find? Was it sitting in someone's garage, a neighbor's garage? Was it in the family for 30 years? Just give us a quick description of what it is, what it has in it, what you like about it, and maybe also what you dislike about it, what you would like to see done.
I mean, is it like the Suburban out there that we keep working on and things just keep breaking? Is it your daily driver? Has it got an exhaust intake? That's got exhaust intake and then a bunch of little parts we put on it.
Yep.
So we just kind of want to see it, and we want to see it at Burning Rubber Garage Rides at Gmail.
That's R-I-D-E-S.
Yeah.
Burning Rubber Garage Rides.
Not like the Wright brothers, but rides. Like, look at our rides.
Yeah.
Can you use it in a sentence?
Burning Rubber Garage Rides at gmail.com. Is that a sentence?
I think that works. Nailed it. But anyways, what we wanted to do is the first one we'll be sitting in the car, here, office, whatever, and we'll showcase your guys' rides. I want to read your description, put your handles at the bottom, whatever that may be.
Yeah,
if you are on YouTube and
Twitter,
Instagram.
Facebook, Instagram, you name it.
No, I almost called Twitter something else because it all. Anyways, but yeah, we want to see it and we want to showcase it. We want to read it. Hopefully, after the first little bit with this whole YouTube thing, I don't know if they'll take away live streaming from us if we fall short. We're a little over 800 subs now. We got to get to 1,000 by middle of next month. I think we can do it.
We can.
But we got some big videos coming up for you. Hopefully soon enough we'll have one with your rides. We really want to see your rides.
Yep.
Link will be in the description to send that. Copy that, paste it into your email, send us your stories. We're both going to have access to this inbox so we can read them. If you don't want them but you like post it on our video but you want us to see them, send them over.
Yeah, we'd be happy.
We still want to see
I
it.
love seeing it. We've gotten requests from people and even gratitude. The one guy was super grateful for the Suburban, swapping the handle out because he said for years he would just roll his windows down.
Roll it down,
reach out,
let himself out, roll it back up, kick the car off, shut the door, lock it, and go away.
After your video, he realized it was a 15-20 minute fix and never has to deal with that crap again.
We got some people pumped up by the Fox body video.
Yeah.
People are pretty jacked by the Camaro. I mean, they may not have a Camaro, they may be a Ford fan, but they see the old car and they're like, time for me to get out in the garage and work. And granted, it's probably the worst time of year to be out in the garage and working, but here it's 50 degrees today. It's
supposed to be 50 degrees today.
Tomorrow
will be 18, so.
Yeah, we're supposed to be down in the snow, but we've got a mod coming tomorrow. I think the next series of videos are probably going to be kicked off with either a fuel injection or an exhaust put on.
Yep.
Fox Body's getting exhaust intakes coming for that. Pretty sure it's going to go on the Nova, but the Nova's going to get a fuel injection kit. The Camaro needs one because I can't get that Holly carb to run. I should have bought an Eldebrock when I bought the damn car, but no, I didn't. So I kept running that Holly, but it left me high and dry in the middle of rush hour traffic. That's what I get for trying to use my car.
With your kid in the back.
Yeah, with my kid in the back, so that really was friendly.
And then we had to
push it on the trailer. I didn't
push it on the trailer. I got there a little late, but
timing was everything.
Pushed it off the trailer, backwards into the garage.
Yeah, and the big thing with the YouTube thing, because it really did piss me off. I lost a little sleep over it. I was very frustrated. I kind of think it's bullshit. It's not necessarily the money. We make pennies on the hour pretty much. The mods, the things we do here aren't even paid for by the money we're making. But it's the YouTube partnership support and stuff that comes with that. And it's just being told, hey, we're not going to do this for you anymore, even though you've been a valued member and never had a strike or anything like that. That's what pisses me off. Yep. So if we can get your guys' support, even if you just watch 1 or 2 videos, if you can hit subscribe, you don't even have to hit the little bell. We just want to play their game, hit 1,000 subscribers, so we can keep making our pennies on the dollars and still have access to all whatever the YouTube partnership has, which I think is live videos, but I might be wrong.
Yeah, I believe it's live video.
I've never done it, so I've never looked into it. But this year we hope to do a few live videos. We hope the Nova finally hits the road. We hope the Camaro comes out, and we hope we're both behind the wheel of one of these, 2 wide on a 2-lane, backing up traffic because we're cruising and they're trying to get to work.
That's right. Other videos to expect this year. We got some mods for the Fox body, some 5-lug swaps, some exhaust.
Yeah, intake. We'll probably swap out seats, maybe pull out all the interior for a little bit. What I do to that car really depends on what car he gets.
Yeah. Hell, mine might be an IROC Z. It might be a Fox body. It might be a G body. Who knows? We'll see.
Whatever he gets, I gotta, like, if he's really a lot faster than me, I'm gonna have to pull out everything. Like even the passenger seat to shave away. I'll probably be doing gears at that point, step up to a 373. I gotta do whatever I can to try and hang with it. But Suburban, we're gonna try and find a company that'll just send us the front airbag suspension ports. I don't know who did this, they only did the back. We got a blown shock on it. We're going to try and take the Coleman out and put it up against a stock one so you can kind of see it, and then we want to really make the Coleman our own, because you look at them, dime a dozen, but when we're done with it, it's going to look like hot rodish.
Yep. The Coyote is going to get new shoes.
It's like freaking $800.
Yeah.
So Nitto, if you're looking, 285
40
18s. Just ship them to my house.
Yep.
Reach me at
555 R's.
BurningRubberGarageRides.
at gmail.com.
But no, we should have some fun. He's got a truck. I don't really have anything that can go off-roading with you.
The Escalade.
Just kidding. But we got trailers. We'll be pulling stuff down. We'd like to head to Vegas.
Yeah, do some.
If you get your car by then, if not, we might just take the Fox and run it till it breaks.
All right.
It should be faster down there, but we'll pull it down there. We'll put I got the trailer. It's not the trailer I want, but eventually we'll get a enclosed trailer. So we want to hit that up. We want to try out some autocross this year, and I want to go back to this drag strip because that was some of the most fun. And it was a testing tune, nothing on the line. Not a lot of people watching. No one gave a shit. The Midnight Drags was a different story. I just don't think you can get a lot of passes. When I left there was hundreds of cars lined up.
You get one pass,
maybe 2
if you're lucky if you're there early.
Yeah, and they had the lanes filling up, and it was insane. But they do go till midnight, 1 o'clock, something like that. Started at 9, 10. Well, I was glad when I was leaving in the Coyote. I was like, thank God I'm not running this. This sucks. Plus, it was at night. It was cooler. Test and tune, I could have made probably 50, 60 passes. I made 4. One of them almost hit the wall. I want to go back. I want to do some autocross, but I think the weapon of choice will be Fox body. Coyote's too expensive if it hits the wall.
We're also going to get a logo. We're going to get shirts, stickers, hats made.
With a flag on it.
Gonna have to have the flag on it.
I'd like to get a hat, again, flag somewhere here, logo here. I'd like to do a hoodie, but it depends on what time this comes out. We'd like to do some giveaways too.
Yeah, if this, Throw Us Your Rides takes off, we get our subscribers. Let's do some giveaways.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Once we hit 1,000, we'll do a giveaway. I'm hoping it'll be one of our clothing items. Yeah. But we got a lot of things in the work, a lot of things to work on. We're going to be getting rid of a couple mini bikes. Frankenbike's done. It's not we're dying.
No. No, we had our phone, we rebuilt it. It's safer than it ever was. let someone else tinker with it.
Somebody else take it. We'll sell our parts bike over there.
Yep.
We already sold the CRF 50, so it's gone. We might find another one soon, but I just think it's time to change it up a little bit. I'm in the mindset I want to do a little more car stuff.
Do a little bit more cars. I mean, we'll throw out, like you said, we'll throw out some of these videos because people like it. That's kind of where you started, was doing some of the mini bikes.
Mini bikes. I did RCs, which now all my RCs are done because the LiPo batteries swelled up. So I'll get some more batteries, but you know, that's fun. It's a good hobby. It was expensive to get into, but cars are where my heart is. The mini bikes are where my heart is for fun. So like when we're wrenching and you smash and bloody up your knuckles, time to get on a bike and go for a rip.
Yep.
That's what I enjoy. So I think you're along the same lines.
Absolutely.
We enjoy power sports of any kind, but we got a pretty good setup here. We got plenty to do. We bought a welder, so when things really break, we can fix it. We both got generators to run welders at the track.
We'll probably build a go-kart this year.
I'd like to build a go-kart. That's kind of why I sold the 50, but then the Camaro left me high and dry. So
and fuel injection came instead.
And fuel injection's coming tomorrow. So hopefully you guys will see this either before the weekend, and then we'll try and get some good videos up for you. But again, if you can, I don't want to look like I'm begging. Please subscribe.
You're like, please. I'm like, BurningRubberGarageRides @gmail.com.
Yeah, that's really the point of this video. One, to bitch about YouTube. Two, promote the Burning Rubber Garage Rides at Gmail, because we want to see your guys' rides. We want to show them off to people, and especially if we've in any way like, hey, I watched you guys. You made me want to get off my butt and go pull the baffle out of my little CRF 50. I want to see it.
Yep.
I want to see it. If you have a video of your vehicle or whatever, even if it's on YouTube, I'll put the link down below. I don't think I'll pull your video and use it because it's yours.
Yep.
But we want pictures and stuff. We'll put pictures up while we're chatting. That's why we wanted to come out here. And the other thing is we want to really thank you guys. The channel's picked up 100 subscribers in the last 2 days. So all you guys out there showing love to the little guy, thank you.
Yeah,
we really appreciate it. I like my pennies per hour. I really do. It's so good.
That's right.
And he likes them too. We can go get a
Slurpee.
If it's Slurpee day.
If it's Slurpee
If it's
day.
7-Eleven, they give them for free. We can go get a Slurpee. But there's a lot of people out there that they make a good living off of this. We enjoy doing it. Whether we hit the 1,000 or not, we're still going to do it.
Yeah.
It might not come with merchandise for a little bit, so
we'd like to get the merchandise line running, though. You know,
it would
be fun.
We're not going to give you any tips, tricks, what we're going to use, but we got a couple ideas kicking around, but nothing solid yet. I mean, even if you're out there watching this and you made it to 13 minutes and you have an idea, send it over. Yeah. We'd like to see it. We may use it.
And if there's anything you want us to do, let us know.
Yeah, we're going to do a giveaway once we hit 1,000 subs. I'm not sure what it is. I mean, probably nothing that's already in this garage. So we need to come up with a logo.
We need a logo and we need the giveaway.
Yeah, that's what we need to do. And you know what else? The Nova needs to go on the road, followed by the Camaro so we can cruise. Side by side, kicking ass, taking names.
So expect a couple videos this weekend. We'll do the fuel injection to kick off the year hard and get this thing running.
And the Mustang's going to gain some sound.
Yeah. Yes,
probably gain some intake, some sound, hopefully raise up an inch, you know. Some idiot dropped it 2 inches. Now all the tires are bald on the inside because they didn't align it properly. So thanks to whoever down in Arizona had that car.
Yep.
But anyways, guys, we want to thank you again. We look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks for the likes, the thumbs up. I think that's the same thing.
Pretty much. 2018 is going to be an awesome year. We're going to have a lot of fun. We want you along for the ride, so
yeah, come on, join us. We might have some big changes coming this year. Could come in the form of one of these cars leaving to go to a new home to find room for something else, because the Camaro really is not on my favorites list right now.
It's on the shit list.
Can I flip off on YouTube?
I don't know. It's probably as bad as saying shit, so.
That's for the Camaro because I had to push it by myself out of traffic.
Yeah.
She's not a light girl.
No.
She's not a guy either, but I think it's a girl.
Yeah. But enjoy your night.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day if you're watching it during the daytime or any time.
I'm going to go one better again. Enjoy your weekend.
Hopefully they see it before the weekend.
That's true. Oh, find a few minutes, send us BurningRubberGarageRides@gmail.com. Now, if you're in Australia, BurningRubberGarageRides because the toilets flush the opposite, so the words might need to go the other way.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not sure how it works. I've never left the country. I feel safe here.
America. That's right.
I'm not flexible.
There you go.
Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Thanks to all our vets. Peace out.